Check this out. We're over here on a frozen ice storm on the Washita River, baby. At Captain Dave's Pirates Cove. Look at all this sleet and snow. You got Scott over there scraping it. I'm going to take you on a tour. You can see the newest boat to the fleet. The Contraband Condo. Right there. There she is. Looking beautiful. Ho, 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 it is sure cold, you know what I mean? It's about, I don't know, 21, 22 degrees right now. Very cold. Got my hot tub right there. One of my favorite things. Look at some of the boats. But it's kind of hard to believe, and this is a view from up here on the Blue Tangerine. It's hard to believe that it is this cold in the boot. We never get this cold. I'm not cut out for this cold, but we're making it happen. Because that's what we do, you know what I'm saying? We're out here making it happen in Monroe. Crazy sleet storm out here on Pirates Cove. I mean, just take a look around. Everything is iced up right now. It's sleeting. No, it's raining. It was sleeting earlier with a mixture of snow. We've got a, I don't know, it's on my little break, so it's just rain right now. I'm letting the FJ warm up, but look at the levee over there. That's Foresight Levee right there. Check that out. Frozen solid. Got my little dog Daisy in the camper warming up but we're finna go to my mom's house, I'm gonna be honest, because she got food, dumplings, red beans and rice, cornbread, collard greens, the whole 9 yards. So, I mean, I'm tired of struggling. I love being out here. I need to be checking on the boats. You can see the green one's got a tight, slight tilt to it. And that's because, well, I think a transformer just went out on the Monroe side. But you can see the green one's got a slight tilt to it because the snow on one side is accumulating. See this boat right here? I just bought it. That's the Contraband Condo. And we got to replace the roof. I'm sure it's okay in there. But that's the newest boat to the whole thing. But got the hot tub. But it's so cold out here that even it can't get higher than 88 degrees, and normally it's 104 degrees. Everything is frozen solid. Matter of fact, I am frozen solid, but I'm making it happen. You know, we don't get this hot, this cold very often out here, really ever in Monroe, in Louisiana, and today it is. Got to watch the water pipe though. They're frozen too. It's crazy. Here, I'll go show you. You can't really see it. The road's got about 3 inches of sleet, but I'm about to go back in. I'm getting soaked, but look at that. Look how freezing this place is. There's no telling how long till this place is cold again, but I won't be here. I will be at my mother's house. I'll be the first to tell you. She got a gas heater and she got warm food. I'm going. I love the Pirates Cove, but peace out. I appreciate you watching. If it gets worse, I'll give you an update. But please, won't you like and subscribe for me? Stay cool, really stay warm. Take care. Bye. All right, check it out. We made it back in the FJ. Why don't you take a look at this? Look how crazy the snow is. We are thankfully in a 4-wheel drive truck, but the rain is unbelievable. I mean, the snow and the sleet. Look at that. Off my way to get some warm food, baby. I'm excited about this. Woo! This is insane. Got about an inch, maybe a little over an inch in the hood. Good amount. Ain't even made it across the levee yet. Still on the, what I like to call the hidden side. Look at all that snow. Or sleep, whatever you want to call it. Alright. It's crazy. Whoa, snap. Yeah, coming over the levee now. Alright, finna turn on Trent. I hope that the Louisville Bridge is open, but it probably isn't, so I'll have to hit the interstate. Alright. Look at that. Going about 20 miles an hour, and it's still a little scary. Woo! We're on Trenton Street right now, by the way. Look at that yard. Look at that. It is now, it's coming down pretty good. Now coming right along. The windows are frozen, but the truck's making good time, and we're rolling. We're doing good. So it is, roads are mighty frozen. Either way. Got a car way back there behind us. You can see his lights, but I don't know if that's four-wheel drive, but even if it isn't, the roads are okay. But as you can see, it's not ideal. I definitely, my girl Daisy with me. Daisy, how you holding up back there? She appears to be okay. Everything is doing A-okay. All right. Coming up on Louisville Bridge now, see if it's open or closed. Tell if there's somebody behind me, but the bridge is open. Fuck, I don't know. Alright, we are crossing Louisville Bridge now. I'm glad it is not closed. Otherwise, I would have got to go to the I-20 bridge. Daisy, how you feeling? She's feeling it. For these collard greens, cornbread, maybe if I get lucky, a little bit of gumbo and crawfish. Boy, if she got some crawfish from the last night over there at Riverside, right here, the best place in town in my opinion. Well, I'm gonna tear it up, tell you what. I don't care if it's old, I'll eat it. Best stuff in my opinion in the world. I mean, not as good a steak, but there it is, Riverside, Coney Island, best crawfish in town. Cormier's is good too though. I like Cormier's, got no problem with them. Alright, here we go. Coming in hot. Woo! Almost made it. Coming up on my mom's house, boy. Woo! I'm telling you, getting excited. Look at Daisy, even Daisy's getting excited. Here we go. Turning on the streets, waiting for some cornbread and some gum jambalaya. Here it is. We made it to my mother's house. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. All right, like I was saying earlier. We made it to my mother's house. What was I getting? Oh, remember to like some of this, subscribe some of this, and keep watching. I get so much for everything. Take it easy. Enjoy some of the other videos. Oh yeah. We've hit the jackpot, boys. Check this out. This is a little sneak peek. Oh shoot.
Who are you talking to?
To the camera. Gotcha.
I don't appreciate it. I'm not looking for your shit.
You didn't know that I was getting you, did you? Look at that.
No, stop. Go on.
Making it ab nice and toasty in here.
Come here. Go ahead. Go ahead. No, come back to me. Go on.
What's up?
Put the camera down.
But Mama, I'm recording.